subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Xiaomi sub-brand Redmi has launched two new smartphones in India called Redmi Note 9 Pro and Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Both these devices look identical but are different in terms of specifications. And among these two, the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max is the higher variant. Talking about the specifications, the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max features a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display with a centrally aligned hole punch for selfie camera and supports 20:9 aspect ratio. The smartphone is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on both the sides, including rear camera setup, and it also has P2i splash-proof nano coating. The phone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G chipset paired with Adreno 618 GPU. The device packs with 6 or 8GB of RAM and 64 or 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage that can also be further expandable up to 512GB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max features a quad camera setup on the rear which includes a 64MP main camera accompanied by 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 119° field of view plus 5MP macro lens and 2MP depth sensor. For selfies, the company has added 32MP camera at the front. As per the software, the handset runs on Android 10 out of the box based on MIUI 11 skin on top. The smartphone comes equipped by a large 5020 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charging support, and the company claims to offer 29Hz 4G talk time, 210Hz music playback and 11Hz of PUBG gaming. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, infrared sensor, 3.5mm headphone jack, GPS including Navic, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.5 by 76.7 by 8.8 mm and it weighs around 209 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Redmi Note 9 Pro Max has been priced in India for 6GB RAM plus 64GB storage variant at 14,999 Indian rupees. Whereas the 6GB RAM plus 120GB storage model is priced at 16,999 Indian rupees. And the higher variant with 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage option is priced at 18,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone will go on sale starting from March 25th in the country in Interstellar Black, Aurora Blue and Glacier White color options. So, what do you guys think of this Redmi Note 9 Pro Max smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.